South. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has decided to withdraw the Rs 2000 denomination bank notes from circulation. This move is initiated as a part of the RBI's clean note policy aimed at ensuring the availability of high-quality banknotes for public use. The RBI has also provided a window until September 30th, 2023 for the public to either deposit or exchange their Rs 2000 banknotes. The central bank has expressed its expectation that the 4-month period provided is sufficient for people to return the majority of these notes back to the banks. The Finance Secretary has also clarified to the media after the RBI's announcement that it is a move by the RBI and not the government. It was also informed that this is not demonetization but just a replacement of the Rs 2000 note.